Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. And right now, I am standing at Paro Airport. Actually, for a personal issue, I have to leave alone for Phuentsholing from Paro. From Paro Airport to Phuentsholing distance is 148 or 150 kilometer from here. I am waiting here to show you the view of flight taking off. You can see the runway, and now the flight will take off. And Paro is a very beautiful city, like one type of valley. চারিদিকে পাহাড় আছে and মাঝখানে সিটিটা, and this is the only airport in Bhutan, and obviously this is international airport. The pilots are very experienced here, cause without experience taking off or landing off flight is very difficult here. তোমরা দেখতেই পাচ্ছ mountains are all around this airport, and obviously this is the very beautiful view. So I have to do solo riding from here. During my journey I could show you guys nice views, so let's see. This mountain is full of stones, cause no soil is here. 4 to 5 kilometers is like same way. So I want to tell you guys to be very careful, and night ride is not safe here. So please রাতে ride করো না এখানে. The way is very steep, as you can see. See, lots of stones fall happen here. I think one of the advantage of solo riding is not to follow anyone. You can go as your wish. Bas cholte thako. Actually, I have not taken my breakfast, so I am going to take my breakfast in the same hotel where I am done my dinner the day when I came here. Oh, this is not যেটা আমি করছি সেটা না এটা. I think these kids are afraid of me. See the amazing waterfall. I guess you know from where this waterfall is coming here. Just look at the over there. Wow, left side view is very awesome, and I am enjoying my ride. Bhutan is very beautiful, as well as the people over here. I would like to visit here again and show you guys many more views. Cause আমি জেলেলা cover করতে পারিনি. Basically roads are very beautiful here, so I have no complaint about that. প্রচুর চওড়া রাস্তা আর রাস্তার কন্ডিশনও খুব ভালো. Now I'm feeling exhausted cause I am not getting the same restaurant. Okay, so finally I got the same restaurant and I am going have my breakfast here. I have done 120 kilometer already. Now feeling relaxed after having my food here. So Phuentsholing is 30 kilometers left from here. তো আশা করছি ম্যাক্সিমাম 1 hour-এর মধ্যে আমি কমপ্লিট করে নেব. Here most of the roads have safety guards. দেখতেই পাচ্ছ ওয়েদার কিভাবে ফ্লাকচুয়েট করছে, কখনো রোদ কখনো ফগ. This is a very low visibility area. Maybe some waterfalls are down there. I really enjoying. I have already crossed a checkpost exit and this is the final one. I will visit again for sure, 100% sure. My GoPro battery betrayed with me. Phuentsholing is 2 kilometers left from here, so you can see the left side, see the city. So I could not show you guys all the viewpoint, but I will make sure it's next time whenever I visit আমি টোটালটা কমপ্লিট করব. সো আমি এখান থেকে পুরো ফুল ট্যাঙ্ক করে নেব, কজ আমাদের ইন্ডিয়াতে প্রচুর দাম. জাস্ট লাইক 82 চলছে মেবি এখন. তো আমি এখানে যদি তেল ফুল ট্যাঙ্ক করে নিই তো আমার 1 উইক আরামসে চলে যাবে. I have entered in the city already, and this is the last exit gate of Bhutan. Yeah, now I am feeling that I have entered in another country, as you can see. Oh. And welcome to India, bhai. Welcome to India. Police is asking my way. my GoPro battery is low, so I am stopping my vlog here, and I will be back with my new vlog very soon. So যদি কারো ভিডিও ভালো লেগে থাকে, so please click the like button, and যারা নতুন, so please subscribe my channel for more videos.